I think the maximum amount of chances you should give to somebody when it comes to relationship is two. And I have to say, depending on whatever they did to you the first time you guys broke up. Because if the person was a serial cheater, you don't need this person back in your life. If this person was an abusive partner, you do not want this person back in your life. But in the event of you allowing this person to come back for the second time, you've got to make sure there's a change of behavior. Because sometimes it takes some people to lose you to realize how much they really needed you in their life. And from that point, allowing the person to get back in your life could really show you that, okay, this person has changed completely. It's not like everything's gonna be perfect, but you'll understand whoever they used to be, they are not the same person anymore. But if they ever come back into your life with the same situations, let them go. No more chances. Do not allow them anywhere near you. Let them go. Don't even remember that you ever dated that type of person. Let them go. Because at that point, it's a pattern. This is what they do. This is a pattern they might not even able to change even if they wanted to. So from that point, you have to let them go. Unless you want to waste your time, that's up to you. But whenever you see the same patterns with no change of behavior, let them go.